Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Ford Focus 1.5 EcoBlue Active X. This vehicle is a diesel manual, it is ULEZ compliant and is finished in agate black. To start off with, then you have your halogen reflector headlights, which are good for helping to illuminate the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 18-inch 5-split-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the agate black exterior colour. You have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot space, you have a large amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you have the ebony glacier cloth upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which are ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your digital dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 23,933 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your Ford Sync infotainment system, you have everything you need, including your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet the safest route possible to those new destinations. You have DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. And you also have front and rear parking sensors, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your dual zone climate control, you can easily adjust the temperature individually, suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats and a heated steering wheel. This has been a presentation on the Ford Focus 1.5 EcoBlue Active X that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.